sorted, yeah? Alright guys, today I'm going to be giving you a drive at night time. Look how beautiful the interior is with the lighting. Look at this beautiful interior, guys. There's a nice steering wheel as well. And yeah, we're going to give you a quick drive. This is a 1.3 litre petrol hybrid, 160 something horsepower. And yeah, let's give you a start. Oh, we're already on. Well, we was on. See, you could even tell it's odd, bro. That's how quiet it is. Okay, now that's quiet. Right, we're in individual mode at the moment, not sports mode. So I'll show you what that is. So our individual mode is sports engine, comfort, steering, ESP comfort and sports of the sound. That's how I like it, so I'm going to drive it like that. Okay, I'm going to let this guy go. Or should I just go in sports mode? Comfort, individual. So there's a nice 50 here. I'll put my foot down for you guys so you can see. Can you still see everything a bit? Or is it too high? Ready, guys? The turbos, it sounds sick. Bloody hell. The turbos sound sick, guys. Bloody hell, man. It actually sounds mental, the turbos. It makes so much noise in this individual mode that I put on. Oi, 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 oi. Okay. It's gonna turn to 30 soon. Not yet. Yeah, you can hear how loud this bloody engine is, guys. I love it. The sound. Have a listen to it. One last bash before I get to the 30. Do you hear that? Do you hear the turbo then, guys? Sounded bloody nice. Okay, back to 30 now, and there'll be a 40 road down there. I'll take you on now. You can have a look at that as well. Here you have your horsepower and stuff. Oh wait, I can take them on the motor, innit? I'll do that later. I'm going to give you a normal run now quickly. I'll show you a motorway run as well. Go on, laddie. I love the sound the engine makes of the electric. Can you hear it? Oof, that tush. The car actually sounds really good. The interior is really nice as well. It's just the back end, the back of the car doesn't look nice. The front of the car looks nice. But yeah, I found on the motor it's not very fast. When I put my foot down, like, it doesn't move very fast. On these lower speed roads it's alright. And the suspension's not terrible. It does bounce a bit, but it's not as bad as my BMW. So, but then again, it is a 24 plate car. My car's a bloody 2008. So yeah, I love spooling up the turbo and then it's the dump sound. I hope you can hear it. Oh yeah, you might not be able to hear it because of the wind. Oi, oi, oi. I want to see what my high beam's like. Oh, it's quite bright. Rev it. Okay, let me put it in park. Is that cop? No. Is it? No, it's a taxi. Yeah, so revving is pointless because it's got a rev limiter. Can you see? 2.5, under 2.5. So it doesn't make any bloody noise. Okay, let's go back into drive. Go on, laddie. Oh shit, these are bright, man. Yes, even though it's a big car, you can actually chuck into corners quite well, as you can see. Taking these at quite decent speed. I'm going to join the motorway for you guys, so you can see, or bypass, whatever. just so you can see how slow it is. When it's at the top end, I think it's very slow actually. So I've closed my windows now. So yeah, at the top end it's quite slow, like 70 miles an hour. Struggles to get up to that speed. In roads like this is fine, because the hybrid system works really well. So start stop off, no wonder. Turn that off. I was thinking, why my steering wheel locked before. Okay, 130 now. Yeah. Actually, you can hear the outside for the till I get on the motorway. Can I rev it now? No, you just hear the engine. Oh, it sounds good though. Oh yeah. Let's go, lads. Let's hope it's not closed. Nope, it's not closed. Alright guys, let's go for it. Are you ready? We're gonna join this at 50. Oh, it's 50 as well here. Damn it! Where does it go? 70 then. Okay, when it goes 70 down there, I'll show you. I'll put my foot down. Sometimes it struggles to build up that speed that I need. Maybe it's because I wasn't in sports mode, but I don't know. Well, sports for the engine anyway. We're going to say as soon as it hits 70, we're going to put our foot down. Come on, laddie, come on, laddie. You ready, guys? Let's see how fast it moves now. Full foot down to the floor, can you see? Takes a while. Really takes a while to get to that speed, and I know it is a heavy car. Oh yeah, I think it's better off getting a diesel on this car, to be honest. A 2 litre, maybe a 3 litre, 2 litre, whatever. I know they do diesel models, so yeah. Yeah, it's one hell of a car, guys. Highly recommend this car. It's really nice to drive. Apart from the engine spec, obviously I'll get a different engine on this. I wouldn't get this 1.3 litre hybrid. It's not worth it. It's very slow. So yeah, as you can see, when you go up to speed after 50, it's very slow picking up speed. Because I had my full foot down and it just weren't building any speed. Yeah, I love the seating position because you're high up. You can go higher, but obviously I don't want my head to hit the bloody thing in it. But it's nice being all the way up here. It's pretty cool. I like it. And yeah, it's a pretty nice car. What do you think, guys? Guy up my ass. Okay guys, let's go. Wow. Alright guys, what time am I up at? 8, 9 minutes. Listen to that. I'm trying to think, where are the roads is there around here? There isn't, is there? There's a Haque road, this road. Yeah, you can see normal roads, I guess. How it looks. What do you think, guys? Let me open the window so you can hear the nice engine. Should do a note 230, guys. Get past all these houses first. Alright, you ready, guys? Listen to this. Note 230. Oi, oi, oi. Sounds sick though. You get the electric noise of the hybrid, and then you get the turbo whooshing. And you have the engine roaring as well. Sounds pretty damn good. Mate, it's Mubarak, mate. Yeah, this car is getting, let me see for you guys, with me launching and stuff, let's see, it is getting 29 miles per gallon. That's in like pretty much sports mode. Oh my god, I'm blind. Bloody bastard. Thank you, boss. But yeah, the steering wheel on this is so light. It's crazy light. Oh, why is my high beam not working? Sorry, boss. Listen to the turbo noise. Really nice ride, very comfortable, very nice. I just wish I had more power. Well, in these roads it's alright. When you take on a motorway, overtaking and stuff, you're gonna be struggle. That's all.